Welcome to ABC Kids channel.
40 plus. Daily routine vocabulary. So you will improve your English.
Alarm. Turn off the alarm. Wake up. I wake up 7 o'clock. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Take a shower. I usually take a shower before going to bed. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Brush your hair. My hair is messy, I need to brush. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in groups. Leave school. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Do homework. Your child always waits until the last minute to do homework. Take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Go to bed. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. Read a book. I always read the book before sleeping. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Read the newspaper. My father reads the newspaper every day. Cook dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Water the plants. You only need to water the plants every other day. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk in the park. Play with friends. Today I played with my friends. Feed the dog. We feed the dog 3 times a day.
Do household chores. Spend the day the way normal household chores. Take a taxi. I would rather take a taxi than walk. Walk the dog. Mary always walks the dog before she goes to bed.
Fall asleep.
He or she fell asleep instantly. Have a snack. Her mother said Mary could only have a snack of fruit. Feed the dog. We feed our dog 3 times a day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe ABC Kids channel.